Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own professional looking portfolio website. So this is going to be using Wix, which is an amazing website building tool. So first of all, as you can see, I'm on its dashboard. I'm going to be heading over to this create new site option. So just click onto that, and once you are there, you are going to be having this kind of option. So just you can start chatting and building your site with this option, or you can do a different one. So I'm going to be selecting portfolio from the section on the left side of our screen. As you can see, we have portfolio here. Once you select that, let's just say you are maybe a video portfolio, or you are a fashion, you want a fashion portfolio, or maybe you are a journalist or designer. So you can select any option and then click on continue. Once you do that, it is going to be suggesting you the templates most appropriate according to your demands, and using those set of templates you can build your own site. So you can see we can pick a template and then start customizing it. So that's how basically you can start creating amazing looking portfolio sites. As you can see, among this list we have a ton of sites here, and yep, so basically that's about it, and that's how easily you can make it. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.